Oh shit, it's a bit windy. Oh, so fucking manly. Is this hunting with PPplaying?
Yeah, boy.
What are we hunting today?
Chicken.
Oh, where is chicken?
There is chicken.
Oh, I don't think chicken is ready for this. You get it? Oh, you suck.
Need to be closer.
You need to be closer?
Yes.
I don't want to be anywhere near when you fire this off. What the fuck you miss?
For fuck's sake.
Get no scoped!
Yeah.
You know.
Den klarar sig. Ser ut som att du vet vad du håller på med. Is this... Say... Motherfucking gangster. Oh, I can do an I'm gay pose.
Let's do parkour.
Oh.
Wow!
I have no words. Parkour over a lawnmower. Parkour on D24. Oh, I would not go through there. Run, fat boy, run! Oh, he's so fast. Wait, I'm coming around. Oh, is this now gone from hunting video to parkour to car check?
No. We need some Haffaguzz in the title too.
Oh yeah. Please, aj jävlar. Please show us engine. Oh, you can't walk on that. Oh. Oh.
See all those cables?
The green one.
Yes.
Shall we-
I'm master of this.
Never mind. The green cable. What's so special about the green cable?
It's not actually a cable.
Really, nigga?
Oh, what is it?
It's a flower.
Aren't you parkour?
Fuck your skinny pants.
Why you wear such gay clothes?
Turn around the camera.
Why?
Much more gay. Look at this parkour.
Oh, damn boy! Wait, we have to sponsor. This is our sponsor. He big very well.
What the fuck is that?
Jag vet inte.
You! You're not boss!
Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast, too fast, too fast, fast, faster!
Oh, I got the code. I got the code now.
Oh, come on, do it.
Oh, I'm in. Press start. Oh, you better move. Oh, fuck. Low battery, you have to say goodbye to subscribers.
I don't want to. Bye.